Good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful, warm day, and we are here to look at this 12 valve. So let's get right into it. This is the 12 valve. It is a Ford street cleaner. Now, if we take a look right up in here, there it is. Now it's getting stuck on things. Now it looks like it's P-pumped. I want to see if I can pull the cab forward to get a better look at this thing. So I'm going to try that right now, guys. Not much to these guys. Let's see if we cannot find the hood pop button. I think it's on the other side. Aha. I don't know how to get that to stay latched open. Wow, this dipstick looks kind of nice and curly there. It's just for the tranny though, so. The engine dipstick's over there. But I could see this little knob opens this guy, which is presumably to get the cab up. But this other rod right here runs to the other side and it doesn't, the handle's broken or missing. Oh, this one's spirally too. Wow. Right on the mark. Smells like diesel oil. Looks like diesel oil. Alright guys, so I just found this little tool in there. Slide it in there. Give her a pull. And it looks like it might unlatch the hood. The other things in there. Oh, there we go. Aha! Oh, I latched. Doesn't want to stay open. Alright, so don't try this at home. Safety first. We got this block of wood here holding up this whole cab. So, oh, god damn it. So for safety, I'm not gonna go under there, but you guys are. There it is. A 12 valve. P-pump. I feel stupid. If I would have just fiddled around with it for like 2 more seconds, I would have got it. Right there. She's engaged. We don't need the block anymore. We are actually safe. So I'm just gonna do some poking around here. Just check out a few more things on the engine here, so I'll catch up with you guys in a second. So I'm just checking the engine here, guys. I'm underneath. I'm looking for the notorious 53 block. It should be printed right along the bottom here above the oil pan, but it's pretty dirty under there, so I'm gonna scratch it away here. Fingers crossed. Now I've heard that the 12 valves potentially might not even have the ability to have the 53 cursed block, but I just wanted to double check to be safe because you never know, and it just happens to have it. But lo and behold, we are in the clear. It isn't a 53. It looks like it just says E. So I'm not exactly sure who manufactured this block, but hopefully the E blocks are in good condition and thick enough to withstand stuff, because the whole point of the 53 issue is the 53 blocks are manufactured in Brazil, I believe, and their casting was a little too thin on the water jackets, I believe it was, which causes them, after even just being stock, causes them to just crack, and the side of your block cracks and your whole motor is basically useless until you get a different block. So if you could avoid the whole 53 issue, it's just a good start, honestly. So I just want to double check. All right, so we got some battery, one battery hooked up. Let's see if that's enough to start her. No. Yep, so we're gonna need 2. All right, let's try this out. No idea if it's gonna work, but oh. She wanted to. There's no like glow plug, nothing, no heater. Oh.
Dylan, does this thing leak oil? Okay.
Try it again here. We got fuel too, so I don't know. It's like more frequent. Woo! She hasn't been started in a while. Woo! I'm happy. So I just got her going here, and I noticed there's another motor in here. This must be for the water pump or something. It runs a hydraulic. It obviously runs a hydraulic pump here, but it's a whole separate motor from up there. So it's a little Isuzu. So we'll see inside there. So we'll get this, see if she fires up. All right, because there is 2 keys on here. Stick it in here. Oh, give her some of the glow. She fires right up. So that is pretty cool, guys. 2 motors for the price of 1. And I got something else I want to show you. All right, so we have the hours right here. It's 6,171.6 hours. And I can't believe this part, guys. This is insane, actually. The kilometers on it, which, yes, we're in Canada, we use kilometers. The kilometers on it are 6,466. This motor, this 12 valve, I'll shut that guy off. This 12 valve only has 6,000 kilometers on it, sorry. 6,000 kilometers. That's probably why it starts this good. That's pretty awesome. So I can't wait to dig into this guy, get it ripped apart, and get it in my other truck, because this motor is awesome. I just love how it sounds. It's awesome. But alright guys, I think that is, I think that's enough messing around here for today. Oh, this window. No, there we go. I think that's enough messing around for today here. We're gonna get this guy ripped apart. I don't know where we're gonna do it or how, but we're gonna get it out of there. And we'll haul it over to our yard there. Good morning guys. So we're gonna pack up all our tools from in the shop there, and we're gonna head over to the street cleaner and grab that 12 valve or start working on it to get it ripped out. Alright, so I got all the tools in the back there. I think I got everything that I'll need. I don't see an outlet anywhere around here, so hopefully I don't need any power. I didn't bring an extension cord anyway, but the drill, it doesn't really matter because the impact I have is a battery anyway, so that should be fine. But yeah, so I'm just gonna jump in there, take some pictures of stuff, and take some pictures of stuff just for records, and then yeah, we'll get into ripping her out. All right, so here we are at the street cleaner. There's our beautiful, beautiful 12 valve with the P-pump. And I think I'm gonna start by taking off a bunch of the hoses here. I did forget my damn paper towel, but I will go get that eventually. But I think we'll start with taking all the hoses off and maybe drain some fluids. I brought all my buckets and stuff, so I'll crawl into there, start draining fluids, and yeah. So I am really stupid, guys. I packed a bunch of my tools and only brought like 2 ratchets. So, and they are not the ratchets that I need. So I'm gonna rip back home. I'm gonna grab some paper towel too while I'm there. And yeah, man, I feel so dumb right now. All right, so we're gonna start with this coolant. Oh God. Well. We'll put that back in there. Holy. Don't worry, we only spilt a little bit. Alright, well that's draining out. I'm gonna start taking off this hose here. Well, she's still steadily pouring out down there. I think it's so cool. It's hard to see, but everything on here is a Ford brand. I think that's just sweet, considering it's going back into a Ford. This looks like a 12 mil or something there. I don't have to take it off anyways, though, so that's good. Yeah, well, there's that one off. Oh, that coolant looks like it's pretty much done flowing right now. Look at that. Yep, that's nice. I'm gonna grab some paper towel to plug that guy off. And look guys, I actually have the blue stuff this time. There, nothing's getting in there. There's like some sort of air compressor right here. So we're gonna have to pop this guy off, get it all taken off because we aren't gonna use that. I think this is a coolant line. A lot of this stuff we're gonna scrap, sell, try to get rid of, and make some of our money back. Because that would be nice. And a lot of the exhaust and hoses and other stuff I think we can use on the truck itself. So that's gonna be awesome. This is just an air intake. Because this just runs up to the air intake right there. So that's all that is. You can hear more coolant flowing down there. I don't know if I'll ever need these or not, but I'm gonna keep track of what goes where on this guy. That pesky 10 mil just disappears. Oh, there's a coolant line over here that obviously is leaking coolant out. It was not even finger tight. That might be why. So it's getting pretty dark out. Well, hey guys, all right, so it's gonna get dark soon. Sun's setting. Anyways, I'll turn around, just look that way, just you know, there you go. All right, so, oh, there goes a wrench. All right, so recap for today. That transmission is only held on by one bolt, but there is nothing holding the tranny up underneath. There's no cross member, nothing. It's all held on by this custom adapter piece to go from the Cummins to the tranny. That is where it's mounted to the frame on both sides. So we're gonna have to unhook that, and the tranny is gonna just drop, which is a stupid design in my opinion, but the tranny is gonna drop, so we're gonna have to figure out something for that when we take the motor out. I just have to unhook the engine mounts on the adapter plate piece from the frame. And then I think there's some on the very front, which is kind of weird. And then I think we should be good to pull out. I think it should be good to come out anyways. So I think we got it all. Most of the wiring, like all this stuff's just sitting here. All the hoses, power steering, intake, the fan. It's all off, so. So yeah, we should be able to take it out tomorrow, hopefully. And I'm gonna work on it a little bit more tonight. I just wanted to give you guys a recap. I'm gonna work on it a bit more tonight, I think, because it's not quite dark enough yet to go home. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow we'll pull it out. The parts come in tomorrow from DCS, so perfect. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna pull this engine out in the next episode, get it moved over to the yard so we can get ready to put it in the Ford. Once all the pieces get here, we're gonna slap it all together. I'm still waiting on a bit more. I probably won't be able to put the motor in until Monday, unfortunately, because I'm still waiting on oil pan, throttle cable, stuff like that, which is unfortunate, but we'll see how far we can get. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of the build. And we're also going to be ripping out a lot of the more stuff in here. I might record some of that, I don't know. Hit that thumbs up if you enjoyed. Hit the bell icon to be notified of the new builds. And I will see you guys in the next one.